Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini longi khubor bamta kasngi. Kamadan football hapulu nadu first division hadu ke Jahawarlal Nehru Complex kadang ya shat ban pentrei daki company. Ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Kamadan football dang pentrei penhe bat penbhai ki madan yelekai athletes ki madan basketball bat kibai. Na kaliang umentri rangba ke jela u konrad ki sangma ula jurip yekite ki jaka yelekai ki badang pentrei mentang. Ya umentri rangba la simran lang daki officer Katba Sport Youth Affairs inong ilam ke Meghalaya Sport Association Shillong Sport Association. Ha ke jinglet jurip u konrad ki sangma yekite ki jaka ki lanmet ha ke jela ula penpahu ke jingkermen bat kalawe ki khun samla ki badang sam ha ki kam yelekai ondala dep kini ki jingtrei kan mento yeki ban yelekai bat ban practice yathu u konrad ki sangma shikilan pathai khubor.
The work that's going on in the Polo in the first ground. As you can see that we have put the AstroTurf already, and final laying of other materials will be done, the granules and other rubber pieces that are put in. We expect that this entire work should be completed by July, and you can see that there will be also a new stand at the back that will be coming up, so we will see the expansion of the stadium. So this is a upgradation that's taking place. As we know that football is one of the sports that our youth are very much connected with, and hence in the long term we will also see more stands coming up on the other side, on the river side also of this field. But apart from that, the government has also decided that we are going to now start looking at different locality fields, different fields in different places, in different towns, different cities, where our youth normally play football, and in collaboration with the community and the local leaders, we would want to upgrade these different facilities where our youth are playing. So we will see a large number. We are already serving in Shillong city itself. We have identified about close to 5 locations where we could potentially lay this kind of AstroTurf. So that process also will start very soon.
Shushu ha ke jurip jung ula shambaro ki jingtrei da company kalong ka babha but onda la dep kanong ka burom ni ki pait ba ka jela bat ya ka sarkar MDA ka bla shimkhya ban pentelun ya ka kam kathan polo baro la tep kom ka jaka ya la kai football bar ki jingkilan met ha kathan chatai lam mingi ka ri India kadai ka jaka pedeng ban pelong ya ka national games ha ki snem ban wan pinsngo umentri rangba.
So now we are at the third location, which is the indoor stadium that is coming up, a multi-purpose indoor stadium, which when completed will be the largest multi-purpose indoor stadium in the entire northeast region. And this particular indoor stadium will have all facilities from basketball, indoor basketball, squash, badminton, multi-purpose halls for table tennis, volleyball. So all different kind of activities will be possible here, and most of the disciplines, when we combine all the 3 stadiums, we'll be able to see that we'll be able to cover most of the major disciplines that are there. And even with this very standard and state-of-the-art indoor stadium, we'll be able to in the future host national level tournaments as well as international level tournaments also. So the work is going on at full speed. Of course, the foundations are just being laid, as you can see, but this work will take a bit more time. So we do expect that this also will be completed soon, but I'm happy to see the progress of the work. And once these kind of infrastructures throughout the state come up, this will be a great blessing and an opportunity for the youth of our state who are very much into sports. And I'm hopeful that facilities like this will give them opportunities.